By just doing some simple searches on the internet, you can find out a lot of information. And if you Google Zen Windows, you'll see that we've earned almost every major industry award. And we're pretty proud of that. Earning awards are nice, but earning your trust is why I get up every day. My name is Scott Groves and I own Zen Windows Atlanta. When people email or call in, there's really only one thing on their mind. How much are these windows going to cost? That's what you're thinking, right? Well, in 5 minutes, you can have your answer. How cool is that? The Zen Windows process is completely different. Our customers go online, they fill out a simple form, we respond to them in a few minutes, we get some basic information about their job, and we give them a window quote in 5 minutes. It's that easy. So if you decide that you want to move forward with Zen Windows, the process is very simple. We send your information to our installation manager. He contacts you within 24 hours. He comes out, he measures your windows, orders them. The windows get delivered to us. That takes about a week. And then we call and schedule a convenient installation time with you. The whole process only takes about 2 weeks. I'm so confident that we're going to do the job right that I'm not going to ask you for a penny until the windows are installed in your home and you're 100% satisfied. So what are you waiting for? Go to the website, fill out the form, and get your quote in 5 minutes. It's that simple.